Can AI detect fires before they turn deadly? After the devastating fire in Maui, I was curious if there was an AI that could detect fires. In just 1 month, an AI program in California has detected wildfires multiple times, even before a single emergency call was made. An experimental AI system in California alerted firefighters to a 3 a.m. wildfire a full 45 minutes before the first 911 call came in. But instead of raging out of control, this fire was contained fast thanks to the early artificial intelligence alarm. This new AI detection system called Alert Wildfire uses images from over 1,000 cameras strategically installed across California to spot smoke and to notify officials at the first sign of a fire. What's astonishing is it's not just the AI's efficiency, but it's the learning speed. With feedback from experts across the state, it refined its fire spotting accuracy in just a few weeks, navigating through potential false alarms like dust clouds and truck smoke. Will AI become as indispensable for fire crews as hoses and helicopters in the quest to detect fires early? Let's hope so. Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.